Hey y'all, I'm going to be working on these two little mini journals. These were originally Jiffy cornbread boxes, and I covered them with white paper on one side. This side still the original cardboard, but I did alter. I cut them apart and glued them back together to get a wide enough spine for 5 signatures of pages in each one. And the digital principal paper kits that I'm using for these, I meshed 2 kits together by Lorna Taylor at Tailor Made Journals. You can find these over on her Etsy shop. They are called Tattered, I don't want to get them wrong. Shades of White Set 2 and Tattered Lace. Yes, Shades of White Set 2 and Tattered Lace. And they're really pretty. Very vintagey, very feminine. I just paired them with some paper that I coffee dyed very lightly. They're just really, really pretty papers. So I'm going to be doing 5 signatures in each of these little journals. 1 signature. I'm sorry, 2 signatures will be just coffee dyed paper for now, and then I'll add some lace, trims, embellishments, maybe some little ephemera type pieces to decorate them just a little bit. I am not going to be inking any of these pages. I like them as they are. I like them just in these light, very light colors. So I'm not going to be inking this journal up at all. But they're just really pretty. So I will do 3 signatures of mixed pages and 2 signatures in each of just coffee dyed paper for now. They're just really very pretty. And I will link Lorna's information to this video so that you can go and check out her kits over at Tailor Made Journals. Okay, I have covered my cardboard food boxes on the inside and outside, and then I took them to my sewing machine and I stitched all the way around the edges. And this is the one that I coffee dyed the fabric. And then this one is just some vintage lace that I had. So these are my journal covers now. And here are my pages. Oops. And that's how you get them out of order. Let's see. I know I had some writing in these. Okay. Because I have sewn signatures into my journals upside down and had to cut them completely out and re-stitch them. So make sure when you're stitching in your signatures that everything is in the direction that you want it to be in. Okay. I'm trying to decide which set of papers I want to put into which book. What I'm planning on doing, which I've not done before, and I don't know why, because I keep wanting to do it, and then I don't do it. I think this one. And this one. Okay. So I have 5 signatures, which means 5 groupings of papers. And when I stitch these into this book along the edge, along the spine, it's late, y'all. I'm tired. It's been a long month. It's been a really long month. I want to bead or use buttons or something along the spine as I'm stitching the pages in. Hope that makes sense. And because I've never done it before, I'm gonna do one off camera and see how it goes, because I know it's gonna be a learning curve to figure out spacing and how many things I can actually get across here. Like, I may be able to do 3 signatures with buttons and 2 with beads, or do a random mix. I don't know. That is my idea, is to do one of the fancy spines, because these papers are just so pretty. I mean, look. So you have this really pretty, elaborate flower, a vintage or antique beaded button here, a pearled button here. There's almost an applique piece here. There's an applique piece here, an applique piece here, some lace. Here's another fancy flower, some texture. You know, they're just elaborate papers. And I think it would be pretty for the spines to be covered in beads or buttons. And then I think I will probably make or use some flowers from my stash. I have amazing laces and trims that I purchased over the years from Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. And I'm going to be using some of her laces and appliques and things on these journals. I'm pretty sure. In fact, I know I am, because I have a stack already right here. Like, I mean, look at this. This is so pretty. And these were not colored this way. These aged this color. And this is a piece of an applique that I cut up before and used. And I have little pieces of flowers. These roses are from her. Here's an applique that's from her. That would be really pretty. Right in the center. Little pieces of flowers I've cut off her appliques. This is not from her. Here's one of her appliques. And another one of her pieces. I mean, they're gorgeous pieces. So I'll be using some of this stuff also. So I think this may be, I think I'll go ahead and post this video just to let you know, let you guys know what I'm working on. And I'm gonna do this part off camera and get the pages put in and beaded, and I'll be back with another video later on. If I get into a flow and I get them just decorated up, then it'll just be a flip through videos. But if you want to go over and check out these papers, as I said, they are from Tailor Made Journals. And if you want to go and check out some of Esme's sales over on Facebook on Crafty Me Shop, please go and do that. You will not be disappointed. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all.